In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the logo for your Substack newsletter. Updating your newsletter's logo is an excellent way to give your publication a fresh look and feel, and it's a pretty straightforward process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a shiny new logo that represents your brand perfectly. First things first, we're going to start by navigating to the Substack homepage. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and typing in substack.com, then logging into your account if prompted. This will bring you right to your own Substack dashboard. Once you're at home on your dashboard, take a moment to get acquainted with the layout if you're not already familiar. You'll see many options here, but for the purpose of this task you want to look for and click on the dashboard option. This will give you access to all the customizable features available for your publication. Now, on your dashboard, you'll find a number of different tabs at the top. You'll want to click on the Settings tab. Settings is where all the magic happens, allowing you to modify various aspects of your newsletter, from subscription settings to visual components like your logo. Once you're in the settings area, locate the section specifically dedicated to your publication's visual identity, where you'll find an option labelled Publication Logo. This area is crucial because it's where you can make changes to the existing logo or update it altogether. With this section visible, click directly on the current logo image. This will prompt new options, allowing you to either upload an image from your device or generate a new one entirely. If you already have a pre-designed logo ready to go on your computer, click the upload option and you'll be able to add that image directly to your Substack publication. But if you're interested in generating something unique right then and there, you'll want to select the option to generate image. When you choose to generate an image, you're given a text box where you can type in a brief description of what you're envisioning for your logo. This might include specific colors, themes, or symbols that represent your brand. After typing in your desired attributes, go ahead and click on Generate. The system will produce a few different options for you to choose from based on your description. Take your time as you decide and feel free to generate more options if needed until you find the one that perfectly captures the essence of your newsletter. Finally, once you've landed on an image you're happy with, simply click Add on your chosen design. This will finalize your selection and set it as your new publication logo. And there we have it. You've successfully updated your Substack newsletter logo. By following these steps, you can keep your publication's branding fresh, modern, and aligned with your vision. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.